It's TEMU haul time. This is a small one, guys. Hi, I'm Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to show you just a small, look how little, small little, my cat just came. Look, you can see his tail. Grimm. Oh, hello, Grimace. You're not sitting here. Today we're doing a small crafting haul. So sit back and actually get a quick drink because this isn't going to be a long video. We are going to just go over some of the items that I purchased from TEMU. For those of you who are familiar with TEMU, you know they offer free shipping and 15-day shipping, 14-day shipping, or you get a $5 credit on your order. Look at this thing, Grimm. Ow, ow. Ow, ow, stop. Grimace, stop. He's so bad. And oh, you're so bad. Stop. Okay, cut. Oh, he's cutting. Look at it hurts. Grimace, you're on camera. They're watching you. I've witnessed this. You're hurting me. Go away. Go find something else to do. There's 3 other cats in this house. Go play with them. Stop. Get down. He won't leave me alone. Get down. He won't let me do my video. Goodness, this is supposed to be a fast video. We're supposed to get in, get out. You're not letting me. Ow! Anyway. Can you stop, please? These are some of the bracelets from my last video, my last haul video. That I love these. I do take them off to take a shower because I don't want to ruin them. They're like fake leather. Cute. These, adorable. Love them, love them, love them. So anyway, these are going good. So we are doing a very quick, I'm going to show you what I purchased. And then the next video, we will demonstrate them along with a couple of the other items. I only bought 2 other crafting items from the previous video. One was a bees honeycomb die. And the other one, what was it? Grimm, I can't remember. Anyway, we're gonna get into the video. So let's get started. So we're gonna demonstrate these items in the next video. All right, I have to put these away from him. So first one is surprise, surprise. Guess what I got? A stencil. Stencil. I can open it. I didn't open any of the items. I'm sorry. As always, I will link the items below with the prices. This is a pretty cool, it's a nice size, pretty cool stencil. This one came a little bent, if you can see it. It's due to shipping. Nothing that TEMU did wrong. That's that one. Next one, of course, is yet another stencil. This video is a mess. I might just leave you in now. Because you're crazy. They can see what I deal with. Anyway, this is the sun rays, or the ray, R-A-Y stencil. I believe it's 6x6. Decent size. This is like a must-have in everybody's crafting space. I don't have one of these already, and I don't know why I don't, but I don't. So we'll play with this on the next video. Next one is a stamp. This is a book stamp. I'm assuming Sarah ordered this because I don't know why I would order it. Let me get away. Piece of paper. It's cool and all. So I have to ask her if she ordered it. If not, then I did. I mean, I think it's cool. So if she didn't want it, then I'm keeping it for sure. That's a stamp. Next one is another stamp. Now this one is to replace because one of the stamps that I had on, not the last video, the video before, I'd done a card that had the witch's feet in the, which stamp was it? Or which card was it? It was in the witch's hat. This one here. But the stamp is, this is a die cut, the hat, but the stamp is no longer available and they discontinued it. So somebody had asked me about it and I felt bad. So I found a replacement and I actually fell in love with it. So you can put these feet in it. But I love this. Oh, there we go. It's better. That is beautiful. And it's a bit larger. It's got a pretty ornate spider web. It says Happy Halloween. When you are a good witch or a bad witch, it's all about the shoes. That's adorable. That is still available as of when I'm making this video. And this is a really good alternative to that other, to this stamp. So I apologize. Actually, that might fit better in that hat anyway. So we'll do something with that. I only have 3 more items here. A die cut. Which, I wasn't going to buy a lot of die cuts, but TEMU is so inexpensive when it comes to die cutting. And I have a brother Scan and Cut that I can die cut any stamped image as long as it has an outline and it's a different color than the background. So it could be green. As long as it's a direct outline, I can cut it with my brother's Scan and Cut, which I absolutely love it. But this is a background. So this comes off. You could take that off, obviously. This is like a plaid, but it's like a double layer plaid background. So we're going to see what we can do with that. It's a pretty decent size. It is, looks like 6 by 5 inches, that is. That's that one. Next, here comes Taco. Taco. Hello. Hi, you want to say hi? Say hi to the people? Why not? Grimm was just a star. You are a star. You're my star. All right. She scares Grimm away. What are you doing? All right, let's see. This die cut. Little birds on a perch. How cute are they? I can't wait to see what they do. They're all attached. Decent size. Looks like they are 6.5, almost 6. Yeah, 6.5 by about 2+ inches. From here to here is about 6.5. That'll be cute. They'll be cute to color. Final item, which I'm very disappointed in. Again, you guys know that I do not read the description. I know I need to learn to do that, and a million people have commented. And I don't anyway. It makes it more fun. Anyway, as you may or may not know, Sarah, my daughter, hence Sarah D Design. I'm D. She's a Sarah part of it. She's a medical assistant. And she says she's in the medical field. She's going to be going for her nursing degree soon. Eventually. Anyway. So. If I find things that are medical or first 80 or whatever, I get them. So anyway, I got this Band-Aid, and it's got these little heart, little emoji, little guys. Guys, it's so tiny. I thought it was big. I thought it would be like a card, that I could do this as a card. Like the main card base. And then, yeah, no. This thing is 3 inches by 3/4 of an inch high. 3 inches by 3/4 of an inch high. Anyway, we'll see what we can do with this. These come apart. So you can do them in different... I would not pull these apart. I don't... Oh, well, I might. But they're so tiny they get lost. So we'll see what happens with them. That is it. That's all I have for today. Guys, here's my little mini haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Next video, we're going to try this stuff out and see what's what. See how they work. And see if we can make a card or something, some kind of design or something out of them. So stay tuned for that. And thanks so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so. And leave a comment. I love reading your comments. And Wanda, I hope you're doing well. Actually, Wanda, my email address is in the description below. Email me your address if you'd like, and we can make you a get well card. How about that? And we'll send it up to you. So that's that, and that's our video for today, guys. So have a good day, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.